How to travel with your cheekbone beauty. Here is a tip. I always love to bring my cute clutch that I'll need for an evening event. And guess what? I use it to store my cheekbone beauty makeup. So we keep it really, really simple. My small blending brush, 3 Unify multi-pencils, of course the mattifying moon dust. I bring that cedar brown eyeliner everywhere. I bring a lip liner in both clay, red, true red, and sand, because these double as not only a lip pencil but also a lipstick. So now I've got 3 lip colors, and of course the Fair Blush Bronzer. These are my staples. Oh, primer, absolute must. And my mascara, and my brow, and 1 lip gloss, which is always gonna be Sweetgrass, and 1 lipstick, which is always gonna be KO. That comes with me, and that heads in my suitcase. Now I've doubled my cute clutch as my makeup bag. And these can all go in your suitcase because there's no liquids. The only thing that is a liquid is technically the gloss and the mascara. I slip these in my purse just in case TSA pulls me over, but these are all in the suitcase and they are solid. They can go through with you.